Welcome to Sage Pastel Payroll's Creating the Self-Service Company video. Self-Service is an add-on module and is included in the Pastel Payroll Advantage package. You have to check if you are registered for the Self-Service module under Help, About. In order to set up the self-service company, you will need to be logged in as user 00. You can check this under Setup, Users and Passwords, Users and Passwords. Your logged in user will need to show the 00 slot in order to create your self-service profile. To set up the self-service profile, click on Setup, select Self-Service, then select Administrator Profile. Read through the screen carefully, then click on Self-Service Terms and Conditions. Read through the terms and conditions carefully before continuing. It is important to note that you need to have the employee's written consent in order to load their personal information onto a cloud-based platform. For your convenience, we have created a consent form template for each employee that can be found under Setup, Self-Service, Consent Forms. However, we advise that you reach out to your labor broker to find a way to incorporate this consent information into different platforms that will best suit your business. Once you have your employee's written consent and have read through and accepted the terms and conditions, you can now set up your self-service profile by navigating to Setup, Self-Service, Administrator Profile. Click on I agree to the terms and conditions that you have read through previously if you wish to continue, then click on OK. Click on Activate Self-Service. It is important to note that the username cannot be changed once it has been created. The username needs to be unique. If the username already exists for another company, the system will advise you of this and you will need to select a new username. We advise that you do not use your own name as a username, but rather choose a username that is linked to the company rather than the person or the payroll administrator. The name, surname, and email fields can be changed if you receive a new payroll administrator. The administrator password needs to be at least 8 characters, with a capital letter, a special character, and a number. It is important to note that this password can be changed in the payroll system. You can keep the Auto Upload Payslips section checked if you want the system to automatically update the payslips when doing a pay period update. Once all of the fields have been entered, you can click on OK. The system will now synchronize to the website. This might take some time, so please be patient. Click on OK to upload the employees to the self-service website. After the initial upload, all the employees will now be checked to upload their information to self-service. If one of your employees have not filled in the consent form and have not given you permission to upload their information, you can untick the upload on Edit Employee Master File in the Personal tab under Preferences. You will need to uncheck all of the employees that did not give their written consent. Once the employees that should not be uploaded have been unchecked, synchronize the system. Click on Process, Self-Service and select Synchronize. Click on OK on this message. It is important to note that the synchronization process is not an instant process. Click on the self-service shortcut in order to be redirected to the self-service website. Log into the website using your username and password that you typed into the payroll system. It's important to note that the company profile will be there almost immediately, but the employees will take about an hour to be uploaded. Once logged in, you will see that you will now be logged in as the admin. As an administrator, you can view the employees from the Manager Employee list. As advised, the company will be here instantly, but you will have to wait for about an hour for the employees to upload. In an attempt to speed up the process, you can attempt to stop and start the Sage Connected services, but the upload can still take some time. After an hour, you can log back into the website and you will now be able to view your employees. Check the description below for other self-help videos regarding self-service, such as stopping and starting the Sage Connected services. Thank you for watching our video.